Hello everyone, in the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, peace be upon all of you. Okay, today we are going to start a new unit together, which is Unit 7. This unit is talking about space and planets and what's beyond us, okay? The name of this unit is Adventures in Space, student book page 60. So, as always, we start with the word power. So, we are going to take the most important words that will be with us in this unit. So, the aims of this unit will be recognizing some new words. And then you have to use these words in your daily life. So, taking these words and keep them in your mind, and after a period you are forgetting them. That's not required. What we want to do is to use these words in our life. Okay, let's start. Now, look at the picture and try to guess each meaning for these words. Now, we will start with outer space. When we are talking about outer space, you can guess the meaning by the word itself. So, out. Something is out, not here, is out, بالخارج. When we are talking about outer space, we are not talking about the earth, we are talking about something is far from here. So, when we talk about outer space, we are mentioning beyond earth. Beyond earth is what above us. It's something not here, something is above. So, this is the earth. What is beyond us? It's called outer space. There is no specific distance to call it outer space. What's beyond the earth is outer space. Number 2 is satellite. Satellite is we always watching TV, we always have connection for something electrically, okay? So, have you guessed where we got this, where we from got this communication, this connecting? So think about it. We have things, look at the picture here, we have things like that in the space. These things are sent by the human and it's made by the human, so it's artificial. Okay? What's made by the human, it's artificial. Made by things, it's not natural. Okay, artificial, not natural. Natural, طبيعي, artificial, صناعي. Artificial body to get information and to send information to us, and it's used like that. Number 3, which is the planet. So each body, we see them in the sky, they are called a planet. We have many planets, we have Uranus, we have Jupiter, we have the Earth. Earth is also a planet, we are on it. And the sun is a star. And I think in the science you talk about the difference between a star and a planet. The star is like the planet, but the star make light, okay? But no, the planet does not make light, so we call it dim, okay? Dim or dark. It doesn't make. It will maybe reflect. It will reflect the light, but it has no light. It will not make light, but it may reflect it. So, 3 big body moving in the space. Any big body, we see it in the space. And as I said, it's dark. We call it planet. And move to number 4. Number 4 is space station. A space station is something like the satellite, but it's different. Or not different, it's a satellite, but it has a specific operation, which is used for, you could say, scientific tests. It's used for traveling to space, and it's multiple tasks. Okay. Number 5, spacewalk. Spacewalk is, as you hear it, walking or moving in the space by the astronaut like this. Why? It's by the way physical acting. Why? To get some information, to make surveying in the space. Okay. Number 6, astronaut. This is the astronaut. The astronaut is the person who travels to space, and that's it. The person who wears these clothes, we are going to talk about them. So this is this man called, or woman, doesn't matter, called astronaut. Okay. Number 7, space suit. Space suit is this white clothes that are specified or specific for traveling to space. So you can't go with your normal clothes. You have to wear something that would be suitable for the space. Okay. Number 8 is the star. We talked about the star before a moment, a large ball in the space. So the star is like the sun, or what we see in the night. We see a small balls where they have a light and they are lighting. Those are called stars. Okay, but they are not small at all. They are bigger than the earth that we are on it. Moving to number 9, radar. What the meaning of radar? I think you know the meaning, but you have no words to describe it. The radar is a device. Why do we use this device? We have this on the earth. We have radars. Radars is used to control something or to monitor something. Okay. So this device controls something. Maybe the pace of it, or just to control it, to keep sure that's working good. Number 10, rocket. Look at the rocket here. Rocket not to destroy something or to make something bad, no. This rocket is used to travel. It's a long tube used for traveling. A tube, it's a shape like that. Why do we use it? To travel to Earth. And number 11, blast off. A blast off is the operation or the act of launching something. Launch is to start, to enroll something, or to drive something. Also, it could be. And the last one, countdown. Countdown is to count numbers. The aim of this operation to reverse to 0. So when you got to 0, you have to do something. For example, I will count down and to 0, and then I will start maybe writing something. So I say 3, 2, 1, and then 0. When I say 0, I will start doing something, and I think the idea is clear. And that's it for today. I guess everything is clear today, and God, try to memorize these words and write them. You have to know the spelling, and that's it for today. See you in next lesson. Goodbye.